Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget review.
In this video, I will show you how to share files from your phone to laptop.
Using QuickShare app, this is one of the fastest and most reliable ways to transfer files wirelessly without using cables, USBs or even third-party apps. So let's get started. So for that, go on QuickShare app on your laptop. Here you can see QuickShare app. Select and then on your Android mobile, select photos, videos, whatever you want to transfer files to your laptop. Then tap on share, then tap on quick share. Now we can see our device name. Tap on that. And yeah, you can see on my laptop screen, my phone's device is displaying. Just accept. Then yes, it is downloading whatever files what you want to transfer. Yes, you can see all data are transferred here. Tap on done and you can see guys, whatever I have selected the files, photos and videos, it is on my laptop. Have you seen guys? Once the transfer is complete, then you can open your phone's file manager or gallery to check the file. So that's it guys, you have successfully shared files from your laptop or from your Android to your laptop using QuickShare app. If this video helped you, so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews and drop a comment if you faced any issues while setting up QuickShare. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.